Good morning, ma'am. We're with Estate Works. We're here about the repairs.
Good morning.
May we come in and take a look? With this blueprint, we'll restore the roof and reinforce the walls, bringing new life to your home.
It's good, thank you. Looks promising.
The cracks are worse here than we thought.
Yes, and the beam above is sagging dangerously.
I'll measure the lintel before we document the roof damage.
Be careful, please.
The measurements are consistent. We should start here.
We'll need more timber for this section.
Yes, the plan is solid. It's beautiful, thank you. Keep back from the wall, it's unstable. Got it, I'll tape it off. We'll start sorting here. Is this area clear, eh? Yes, this is the safe zone. Stay behind this point.
Be careful with that stool.
Yes, we are.
And the mattress?
It's almost out, Grandmother. Just these few things left.
Yes, we are finishing the cleaning now.
Keep it steady. Take that beam. Debris clear. Just the center. Right, got it. Watch the dust. Measure here.
We need to reinforce this beam.
Let's stack these timbers neatly. Okay, here we go.
Got it.
Got it. Slow and steady. Sheet number 3 is clear.
Yeah.
Watch your step. Setting it down now. Measure twice, cut once. This beam is compromised here. I'll mark it for removal. Measure to the corner. 2 meters exact. Check the tension of the string. Keep digging on the line.
Almost done here.
Looks good. Checking this corner now. The measurements match the plans. Good. Let's start with the corners. Verified. Perfect.
Perfect.
All right, we can begin. Keep it straight, like this.
Just a little more mix.
Looking good. The door is clear now. Almost there.
The wall is straight.
Just a few more courses.
Check the corner.
Perfect. We're done. Keep it steady. A little to the left.
It's level.
Looks level. Watch the level. Just a bit more. Done. Almost there.
Just one more.
Looking good up there. We're finished.
Looks good. Let's secure it.
Yes, that's perfect now. Thank you so much.
Measure twice, install once. Looks good. Let's seal it now.
All right, looking good. Test the handle? Yes, perfect. Thank you so much.
Measure twice, cut once. Looks good. Let's secure it. Check the plans again.
Looks good. Let's connect it now.
Pass me the fitting. I'm cutting the next piece. Perfect. We're almost done here.
Keep it even on the edge there.
The corner needs a bit more.
Looks good. Let's step back.
The walls are looking beautiful. Almost done. Looking good, Mama. It looks so good, doesn't it?
Yes.
Yes, almost ready for paint now.
Keep it steady.
Almost done here.
Looks much better already.
Yes.
Just the trim left now.
It's absolutely perfect, just like I always imagined.
Line it up properly.
Yeah.
Just a little more to the left.
Water's running now.
Good job, we're almost done.
Looks good. Done with the lights? Just right, Nana. Keep it level here.
Yep, got it.
Check this one. Check this one next.
Oh, look at that. It's beautiful.
Just the edges now.
Perfect.
Excellent, this is solid.
Perfect.
Perfect. Looks safe now. Thank you so much, gentlemen. You're welcome, ma'am.
Almost there, Mama. Just one more piece. Perfect. It looks beautiful, thank you. Now you can come down safely. That's it, water here. More mulch over there. Yes, there. Perfect. Looking good.
Almost there.
Just one more second.
Looks good.
And it's done.
Careful with that end there. Just a little to the left. Looks perfect.
Oh, it's just beautiful. Thank you so much. All right, that should do it. Perfect, it's all set. Looks wonderful, Character A.
Looks good.
Yeah, that's done.
Ready to go.
Looks perfect. Just checking this corner. One last fluff of the pillow.
Checklist complete. All checks passed.
Wonderful news. It's perfect.
Let's hand over the paperwork.
You've all done such a wonderful job. It's perfect. Our pleasure, ma'am. We hope you'll be very happy here.
The paintwork looks excellent. Door latch fits well. It's all perfect. Ah, that's just perfect.
All right, just need to make sure this is all set. Yes, okay.
It looks absolutely beautiful.
We're so glad you like it.
Thank you, truly.
Looks great.
Thank you so much.
Beautiful.
It's beautiful. Beautiful. We are all so happy. Welcome home. Thank you. Thank you. Congratulations.
Look at this. It's growing so well. My beautiful home.
Thank you all so much.
Yeah.
It was our pleasure. Take care now. You too. Goodbye.